Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and locate the screen recording toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left, which will show you additional pages. Now for me, it looks like it's on the second page right over here. So you can see just a portion of its screen and then RE, but obviously you can see that this is it. All you need to look for is this kind of like circle looking icon. From here, tap on it. This will bring up a couple options for you, so we can record audio. By default it will be turned off, so if you want to record it, you just need to flip the switch right here. And then additionally you can tap on the drop down and select what audio will be recorded. We have device, microphone, or both. And then below that we have the show touches on screen, and when enabled it will show or record a semi-transparent gray dot, which I'll turn on just so you can see how that looks like. Have a countdown and then it begins recording. So you can see right now there's this kind of dot following my finger. This will be visible on the screen recording. Now anyway, once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications once again and select right here, stop. And this will then stop the screen recording and save it in your photos gallery. Let me quickly find it somewhere. Oh, right over here. Once it loads up, you can then navigate to library, and then here it will create a movies folder, and in the movies you will find your screen recording. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.